Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open contacts, then you have to select contact which you want to add a photo, then tap on the pencil icon to edit it, and then tap on the camera icon to add photo. Then you have an option to take a photo or to select photo from gallery. Let's select our photo. Then you can adjust it here and then tap done and then tap save, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.